In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best halogen headlight bulbs in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which halogen headlight bulbs is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, SYLVANIA Halogen Headlight Bulb. See SYLVANIA's application guide in the technical details below to confirm compatibility. Crisp, white light, for the appearance, really feel, as well as the perspective of HID, proprietary xenon halogen gas technology, ideal choice and worth contrasted to dropping in HID upgrades. Cobalt blue coating supplies optimum light transmission and color, lights lower in time, change in, pairs for ideal performance. SYLVANIA provides a wide variety of auto illumination items, snappy, performance, and also the safety and security of you and your household in mind. SYLVANIA SylvaStar Z-Safe fronts lights are sustained by an exclusive xenon halogen gas innovation with the look, really feel, and also the attitude of HID lights. Whatever concerning the Z-Safe light bulb screams style, from its mirror top alloy covering to its great, crisp white light outcome. It makes certain to make your vehicle stand apart in a crowd. SYLVANIA SylvaStars say is street legal and DOT accepted. As one of the trusted leaders in auto lighting, SYLVANIA is devoted to the efficiency as well as worth of its products. With top quality manufacturing and premium quality products, SylvaStar Z-Safe is the ideal option when updating your lorry's lights. SylvaStar Z-Safe front's lights utilize an exclusive cobalt blue finishing integrated with xenon halogen gas innovation to create a shade temperature that matches HID. Here is the item number 4, Hella Performance Headlight Bulb. Approximately 50% more light outcome than common light bulbs, which provides you the most effective lighting. Performance, providing performance-oriented drivers extra security time and convenience when traveling. Initial devices top-quality bulbs you can trust from a worldwide leader in automotive illumination innovations for greater than 100 years. Hella bulbs guarantee ideal performance, optimum fit, and long-term client fulfillment. All light bulbs are produced under Hella's stringent testing demands. You recognize this as a brand name that can be relied on. Performance Plus 50 light bulbs have a broader and brighter light. Filament layout has been enhanced and silver top covering to ensure that the bulb is nearly unnoticeable in the front lights. Hella suggests that you constantly replace in pairs to ensure symmetric beam from both light bulbs when driving, as headlights will certainly dim over time. Meets International Basic ECE, R37, and in Metro regulation. Please check your regional regulations. 2 light bulbs twin blister product packaging. Hella develops and also produces bulbs for the automobile industry, and also has among the largest retail companies for automotive parts. The item number 3, Philips Automotive Lighting Bulbs. Get the bright white light appearance. Pick Philips Crystal Vision Ultra Headlight light bulbs for the appearance of HID, as well as obtain bright white light on the road. A unique blue cap on the bulb produces an awesome blue result in the headlamp's reflector in daytime. Original devices quality seal for the most reputable efficiency. Constantly change in sets to make certain asymmetrical light beams from both bulbs on the road. Headlights dim over time. Front lights bulbs by Philips. For over 100 years we have actually been constantly innovating automotive lights. When installing a brand new bulb, never touch the glass. Either utilize handwear covers or paper towels when managing. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra is for motorists seeking to personalize their cars. With Crystal Vision Ultra, motorists take pleasure in a look that is unparalleled in a DOT-compliant bulb. Crystal Vision Ultra provides a brilliant white light when driving during the night, while its blue-capped bulb creates an awesome blue impact in the front lights in the daytime. This is an excellent option if you're aiming to add design to your vehicle. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra headlights match the look of HID, thanks to heaven finishing on the glass and also the blue cap bulb, which creates a brilliant white light impact in the headlamp's reflector in the daytime. Number 2 on our list, Philips Automotive Lighting Headlight. Stand up to 100% even more vision when traveling contrasted to standard minimal legal demands and low light beam headlamp test outcomes. Choose Philips Extreme Vision headlights for maximum light output and also ultimate efficiency. Excellent for nighttime drivers and when usually driving in backwoods or poorly lit streets. Original devices quality seal for the most trusted efficiency. Constantly change in pairs to make sure asymmetrical beam from both bulbs when traveling. Front's lights lower gradually. Boost your vision with Extreme Vision. Philips Extreme Vision front lights light bulbs provide 100% even more vision, contrasted to standard minimum legal requirements in the reduced beam of light headlamp examination outcomes for vehicle drivers that intend to see further. Based on a special filament style, as well as enhanced geometry, Extreme Vision is crafted with cutting-edge technology for utmost efficiency as well as even more light where it matters one of the most. Choose Philips Extreme Vision headlight bulbs if you are looking for maximum light output from halogen light bulbs. Philips Extreme Vision bulbs provide a lot more vision by offering a beam of light that's longer than the beam created by a common halogen headlight. The top one in our list, Philips Automotive lighting bulbs. Obtain the bright white light look. Select Philips Crystal Vision Ultra headlight light bulbs for the look of HID, and also obtain bright white light on the road. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra fronts lights are DOT certified. A unique blue cap on the light bulb produces a trendy blue impact in the headlamp's reflector in the daytime. Original equipment quality seal for the most dependable performance. Always change in pairs to make certain asymmetric beams from both light bulbs when traveling. Headlights dim with time. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra is for vehicle drivers looking to individualize their lorries. With Crystal Vision Ultra, vehicle drivers take pleasure in an appearance that is unparalleled in a DOT-compliant light bulb. Crystal Vision Ultra supplies a brilliant white light when traveling during the night, while its blue-capped bulb produces a trendy blue effect in the front lights in the daytime. This is the best selection if you're looking to add style to your car. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra is the solution for chauffeurs that are trying to find an upgrade with the style, as well as look of xenon HID, but have a car with halogen technology. Without jeopardizing safety, Philips Crystal Vision Ultra headlights rival the look of HID thanks to heaven covering on the glass which produces a bright, white light. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best halogen headlight bulbs amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.